we have seen some of your projects like Chak De India and Rocket Singh.
Yeah. I was casting on Rang De Basanti, and उस time पे there were some of the crew members were British. They said जो आप कर रहे हो यहाँ पे वो यहाँ पे नहीं हो रहा, पर
Right.
in Hollywood and in England it's a full-fledged profession.
आज हमारे साथ एक बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट है दोस्तों, जिन्होंने इंडिया में जो मूवीज के लिए जो कास्टिंग होती है उसको बहुत ही प्रोफेशनल वे में चालू किया. ही इज वन ऑफ द पॉइनियर्स हु स्टार्टेड द कास्टिंग सीन इन इंडिया. उससे पहले कास्टिंग को लोग थोड़ा साइड बिजनेस मानते थे. ठीक है, कोई जान पहचान का एक्टर ले लिया, डायरेक्टर ने खुद ने यहाँ वहाँ ढूंढ लिए. बट देन ही रियली स्टार्टेड दिस, एंड नाउ एज वी नो देयर लॉट ऑफ कास्टिंग एजेंट्स, कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स एवरीवेयर इन इंडिया. वेलकम Abhimanyu sir.
Thank you.
And we have seen some of your projects like Chak De India and Rocket Singh.
Yeah.
And the casting was amazing. Obviously, everybody know about it.
Thank you. Thank you.
कैसा लगा आपको?
Good. It's been quite a good journey, yeah. And of course, there are a lot of changes that are happening in the way people perceive casting now.
So tell me one thing, that how you found out the lacuna के उस समय इंडस्ट्री इतनी ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं थी या फिर कास्टिंग ढंग से नहीं हो रही थी. What was the thought process behind it कि आपको लगा कि नहीं, we have to make it more streamlined, more professional?
नहीं, वो सब नहीं सोचा मैंने उस टाइम पे. I was casting on Rang De Basanti, and उस टाइम पे there were some of the crew members were British, and they said कि जो आप कर रहे हो यहाँ पे वो यहाँ पे नहीं हो रहा, पर in Hollywood and in England it's a full-fledged profession. And then I actually started enjoying it. I was anyway enjoying it very much because I preferred doing that than being an assistant director. And then वो उसके बाद एक और film, then it kind of took off. Yeah.
So जैसे कि देखा आज आप जब पॉडकास्ट पे आए तो you came with a bike.
Yeah.
So you like bike riding a lot?
Oh yeah. I go everywhere on my bike. No more cars.
Do you have a group?
Well, no. I mostly like to ride solo. Yeah. I'm mostly a solo person.
हाँ, बॉम्बे में वैसे ही it's like too much of traffic.
Yeah. You want to get away from people.
But how you feel like it's a heavy bike, 1200cc, right?
हाँ.
Speed triple.
हाँ. नहीं, it's a speed twin.
Speed twin.
1200, yeah.
So ऐसे ट्रैफिक में नहीं लगता कभी?
नहीं, yeah. It's a psychological thing, you know. Once you practice something, you learn it. It's like, you know, I see in museums, you see those huge swords and you're thinking कि उठाया कैसे इन लोग ने?
सही में, definitely, क्योंकि
But वो जब practice करते थे, they knew how to fight with those swords. They not only picked up the swords, they knew to fight with it.
When I bought a bike, it is also a 1200cc very heavy bike. तो मुझे भी लग रहा था कैसे चलाऊंगा. फिर बाद में मुझे बहुत लोगों ने कहा, अरे भाई तेरे को बाइक को नहीं चलाना, बाइक तेरे को चलाएगी.
Yeah. No. It's about controlling what you do.
Yeah.
Like even in a skill. And since we're talking about acting may be whether you want to learn a skill within acting. शुरू में you may feel कि अरे वो मुझे नहीं आता है, वो मैं कैसे करूँगा या करूँगी. पर when you practice it becomes very easy. In few months time you start perfecting it.
गिरे तो नहीं कभी आप?
नहीं, अभी तक नहीं है.
अभी तक नहीं गिरा?
अभी तक नहीं.
मैं तो एक बार गिरा था.
That's okay. It's good to fall.
हाँ, मेरे एक हाथ में हेलमेट था, वो पता नहीं मैं क्या कर रहा था, बाइक को आगे पीछे कर रहा था.